Pero sige, titiisin ko si Erlindo Eusebio nasa taas. Si Joe pero Ducado yung si baba. Alam ako naman, si Katchaw lang naman ako pero mahusay ang dalawa. No? Sige, kahit 6 teams lang, basta may tournament. Yun naman ang spirit ng Spiker Step. Kahit 6, tuloy tayo. Off the hands and finally, the first point of 3B is
To play.
Or available to play.
Yung ibang nakita ko, sir, mga sa 20, 21 yung pool eh.
Okay, this is bounce na paano na regalo.
Overball.
Line up
Si
niya.
Villados unang-una.
Yan, yung setter niya.
Primary setter nila.
Pasok ang service. Service
Facing
A.
on the other side of the net, his former teammates back in Arellano. Talking about Carl Berdal and Joshua Dato. Having graduated together after Sir 7, Coach Ronnie.
Maraming salamat, mate. That's a great report. In the meantime, you know, one of these days I should visit really yung NCAA men's tour.
Para sa Event Masters, aided by at least 5 errors here in set 1 alone. Para dito sa King Crunchers.
Nata chases it. Kept in play. Adahan. Block. Tuwa ko po na ng 3B. Ano? Sabi nila, baka hindi ko alam sino papalo eh.
Kumpiyansa na rito ang blue shirts.
Nice
Ayan,
block. Solidly done. That is...
Huwag mo dun bigay.
Oh,
Kasi nandun yung pinakamahusay na blocker.
layo mo, no?
Iwas mo kay Olaes.
Samantala, when in doubt, porsyento
They
laro.
were able to overrun. Courtesy of Jude Garcia.
Nice cross.
Nakapuho.
EB. 3B, rather. And that's dropped into an empty hole. It's 12-16.
If the King Crunchers are to take out this set, take home this set, they have to make their move now.
Ang ganda, huli ka. Huli ka. Ganda ng deception ng play.
Ibang diskarte yan, but this is now down to a 3-point deficit para sa King Crunchers.
Aole blocking better in place now for the King Crunchers. That is going to pierce the open hole. Garcia knocking it in.
Defense ng Chris Cross at maka-side out.
Kasi hindi umiigot yung rotation nila. Nata. Hello. Alam mo, dapat maglaro tayo. Tsaka ang palo niya hindi diretso sa pipe. May lihis pa ng konti.
Tight.
Oh.
Another miss.
Yes.
Oh.
Binigay. Touch ball. It is nag-13-8 pa. Hello. Berdal shot. Oh, spins around. They could not hoist it high. Gopiteo, Arch, suddenly said, layo ko.
The block slowed down the hit.
Oh,
But
actually.
Gupiteo, check Gupiteo.
Hala, dumapang sa net. Huli. Sigasig lang. Sipag lang ang kailangan ng 3B dito. Uy, nice set. Nice set by Ferrer.
Oh, no.
Regalo! Berdal pounces on the opportunity. Dati hindi ako naniniwala doon sa mga freeze the server. Ito na, dalawang beses, 23-21. No? Apat yung lamang kanina. 23-19 kanina. Gupiteo. Berdal. Ganda ng inantay niya. No? Hindi siya agad lumundag eh.
Hinahanap niya kung saan nakapwesto.
3B. Chance. What a set. Dayanata. Free ball. Naife. Nabasa. Olaes all dressed up. Nowhere to go.
Basically na tinawag si Coach sana na iraran nila.
Pero okay si Coach. Hindi yung predictable. Yan na. Hindi yung predictable timeout discussion. So that's going to be a watermark. Here we go. Kombinasyon.
Wide open.
They were claiming there was a net touch.
Yes, that's what I saw too. They need more from Che Gupiteo.
Oo.
Who's
Ay,
been-
ay.
At siya nga pala, sir, ang unang player of the week
Ah,
sa Open Conference. Every match has been double figures para dito kay Chego Piteo, a multiple MVP winner sa beach volleyball for US King Crunchers.
oh, and first ball pass. Error. Nobody home.
Oh, glorioso
Notorious
din.
blocker din yan si Kim Malabunga.
But Josaphat has been a different kind of defensive plus para din na hindi na nakabalik pa.
Yeah. Tapos yung first set, 25-22. Tibay ng mga kamay. Nice slide on the floor. Elevated. Did he get it? He got it.
It's a different role for Riquenton starting this Open Conference.
Energizer coming off the bench. Kailangan mo ng
Spark,
Kailangan
oo.
mo ng, that's why you get those players come off the bench. We need something that the starters are not providing that is delivered, piercing the empty defense hole.
So, meron ditong tatlong beach volleyball standouts. Riquenton, Garcia,
Gupito.
Gupiteo.
Gupiteo.
At Riquenton, Garcia, multiple Southeast Asian games.
But Signal had a different roster, di ba? Wow. Alas. We are in the second. 100 set. Ganda naman ng set. Woo! Alam mo, sa set pa lang, alam mo, papasok. Eh.
Also played for Signal before, by the way.
Oo, nasa sahig na. Dainata just a fraction.
3 here in this set alone.
Paborito play. Galing ng tribute dun sa double quick na yan.
Kasama talaga sa discount.
Talaga, di ka kumain. No?
Hindi masyado, sir.
Wala kang baon today.
Wala eh.
Ay.
Iwan ko eh.
As
Dahil
in naiwanan mo.
Yes, sir. Naisip ko kasi yung traffic dyan sa Ortigas Extension.
Grabe ngayon, ano?
Last Friday, 30 minutes to cross, sir, from your place to here.
Oh, napakit mo nga yun.
Oh, pero ngayon, mas may excess, kalahati. Parang yung first at second set contrast ng Chris Crosser. Ganun.
22-9. Ayan na.
Villlados again. Misleading the defense. Freeing up the attack. This set.
Iba yung energy, na.
Hirap nang maunahan ulit.
Pero ang ganda ng play ng 3B. Ang ganda ng play nila.
Ferrer Insurance Protectors.
Isra and his serve. Gandang play. Yes, that's it. We are at set point.
Diretso sa 5.
Which... Kaboom, boom, boom. Blocked. Dainata nowhere to go. And this second set. Alday service in play. Gopiteo receiving. Osaka bounces quickly and we have the first point of the third set.
Pabalik ng Event Masters and eventually took home set 1. A second set, wire-to-wire win para dito. Kila Chego Piteos, Carl Berdal says, in terms of overall flow para dito sa King
Correct,
Ranchers.
Ferrer sets this up nicely. And Encina knocking that down.
With 5 points behind the 6 of Berdal.
Good set. Block, but out.
Nasa super
Parang
athlete.
siya naglalatag ng batter sa pan.
Parang si Rata Marcer eh. Sa pangalawang set. Talo sa unang set, 25-21.
Gopiteo. Hala! Naputasan sila sa likod.
Coverage.
Gopiteo serve. 2-point lead by Chris Cross. Set up for Riquenton. Denied. Entry Guerrero. Garcia. Oh, it is a check ball.
Ayos.
Mabuti naman. 7-4. Ganda. Sapul sa taas.
Wow.
Wow! Kalahin mo na iwasan lahat yun. Kala ko tatama na eh. Wala, nawala pa yung punto sa kanila.
Pays to have a tall
And
playmaker.
here now for The King
Pero
Crunchers.
sa depensa sila namumuhunan talaga.
Ferrer. Berdal. Distansya ito, 9. 16-7. Tinaas, Guerrero. Iba pag may Jude
Turn
Garcia.
for them since the second set.
Wala na eh. Kinandaduan eh. Saka nagsipag na itong
Yun ang word doon, sir.
19-7. Kanina kasi lackluster yun.
The other little things that has helped his team turn this game around. Ito talaga.
Nicely done.
Oo, ang tumatrangko, Pamato. Halos di.
Huwag ka muna maglaro ha. Next game, pwede ka na. Sus! Layo.
Wanted and off the block point.
Currently down by 11. Good twisting set.
Well received by Pepito.
And Cena serve in play. Down the middle we go.
Another big weapon.
That works.
Mamone was late.
Good set. And Requenton pushes his team to set. And one set point save. Berdal serving. Rotation.
That's a killer.
And if that's against 3B, it is done for this third set. It is a service error.
In this game.
Douglas is serving as setter initially. And that's way out of reach for Menard.
Sa labang ito.
Tough set. But no problem with the combination.
Naki Daytona at Berdal at Encina tapos na rin ang puntos.
Douglas with this. So nicely done. Nagulat si Villados. Here's Olaez. Copiteo sees clear skies. No turbulence, no thunder. Pinpoint accuracy. Block. Blocked.
Nothing on the right pin.
Berdal ended up kneeling for it, scampering for it. Requenton. Copiteo.
Earlier scored on 25 Garcia. 24.
Parang na rin 25 yun. Na-blank si Requenton. One of the rare times they caught Requenton with his hand in the cookie. Explosiveness niya, no?
Parang sumisirit na tubig sa hose, sir, eh. Hindi kasi
Yung unang,
23 points in the last two sets.
yung alam mo yung Requenton, hindi ko gagawin starter talaga. Diba? Keep him coming off the bench, no?
Embrace the uniform nila, sir.
Uy! Deceptive play, but it's still in action. Garcia's shot. Handled well. And the cross is a score for the Masters.
NC.
Magalay shoots.
My
Gets it to
turn.
go. Gets it to go.
What happens?
Si ano ang setter? Ito si 23.
Adahar. Echo Adahar.
Yung starting setter kanina. So, nag-free si Rex. And here we go.
Meron pa to, ha?
Day natin. Winalis sa block. Sinet ni Adahar. Bagalay. At nagdidiwang ng barak. Sinusukan sila. Ang gulo nyo kasi. At natapos ang bakbak. 4-set win by